but we're close.
This was Xochitl Delgado and her daughter a month ago after they were mistakenly sent to a shuttered San Isidro hotel as the county was taking over the hotel vouchers for flood victims.
I'm tired and I'm drained.
On January 22nd, floodwaters submerged her rented Logan Heights home, claiming nearly all the belongings of her family of 5, including her 3 children. Weeks later, after arriving at the shutdown hotel, a mistake blamed on a bad address search, she was sent across the street to an apartment, but Delgado, who did not feel safe, requested another hotel. Sources told us squatters at the closed hotel had led to reports of criminal activity in the area, including a fatal triple shooting in late January. Delgado says the county then sent her to a hotel in Mission Valley, but discovered more problems.
Found black mold underneath the kitchenette sink.
Delgado paying out of pocket at times for rooms at a different Mission Valley motel, this Motel 6, then received a voucher to stay there from one of her kids' schools.
A few days ago, Delgado returned to her room and saw a flyer on her door saying you have been extended until the 25th. She went down to the lobby where a hotel worker confirmed it was the county who had extended her.
I'm appreciative, I am, but I'm just annoyed that it took so long to get help.
Delgado, who received more than $7,000 in rental assistance from FEMA, is hoping to get to a new apartment soon. While a recent vote means the county will be further extending vouchers, she's hoping she won't need it. Still, the county helps.
Gives me a little ease on me to be able to be comfortable looking for something, able to look forward now and focus on my future now with me and my kids.
Michael Chen, ABC 10 News.